একটু বড় করেন।
ওর নিচে যাও,
বড় করলে দেখা যাবে।
ওর নিচে, ওর যাওয়ার নিচে যাও।
আরো নিচে যেতে বলতেছে।
হ্যাঁ, ওর নিচে যাও।
For TMJ release, we need
আপনি
to
একটু ধরেন, তাহলে আপনি
concentrate
ভালো
upon
বলবেন।
3 muscles. For temporomandibular joint dysfunction, we need to concentrate upon 3 muscles. One is masseter, number 2 is lateral pterygoid, or if you have got gloves, you can go for medial pterygoid also. Then what is this muscle?
Frontalis.
Frontalis muscle. Frontalis?
Parietalis.
Temporal muscle.
Temporalis.
Huh? Temporalis, simply we can go from this to this, applying little bit moisturizer. Okay. This is
If patient can ready, you can apply
Temporalis.
moisturizer, you can do it.
release. This one, okay. Temporalis release. To reach the lateral pterygoid, ask the patient for opening the mouth. You can open your mouth. Yes. Open. Close. See. Here is the TMJ joint. I am going medial to the TMJ joint. This is lateral pterygoid muscle. This one. Here we can give again ischemic technique. Release. Okay. Both the sides. It will be very much painful for patients. This one. Okay. You doesn't have pain.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Which is the joint in the body which has got much function? TMJ or knee joint?
না স্যার এটাতে, এটা তো অনেক কিছু প্রোভাইড করে।
Yes, TMJ. During mastication process, during
Laughing,
talking,
eating.
during
Sir, should I
laughing,
apply
all
this technique on TMJ lock?
TMJ lock, yeah, you can. This is lateral pterygoid, then masseter release is this one. Again, this is the masseter release. You can release both the sides. For medial pterygoid, apply glove. You can go like this and you can do kneading under this. Same like that, same position. Okay, we will go for towel method. Take turkey towel all the time. Applied it. You do one thing, sir. You please get up. Go down. Go down. Lock your knees. Lock your knees. Lock your knees. Lock your knees. Yes. Okay.
করবেন।
सर ऊपर आ जाओ। किम भाई? ऊपर आओ।
नहीं चलेगा. लाइन ऑफ ये थ्रस्ट एक ही है. Are you okay?
Okay.
Any pressure? Nothing. Take the position. Reach the barrier. Then I am giving slight thrust. This way. Till when? Till where?
No.
This area?
Yes.
Huh? Or till down?
Yes.
What is that?
Little down.
আপনি কোন পর্যন্ত ফিল করছেন?
পিঠের এই পর্যন্ত নাকি পিঠা
Till lumbar is region.
এই
you will
পিঠা
feel.
নিচে লাম্বা লাম্বা
One more model, please. Change the model. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You do one thing. You come.
এক্সটেনশন এর
Extension. Okay.
ওকে
Towel बड़ा हो गया है. Okay. Look at my position. I am taking position for little bit thrust. I have reached the slag. Neck is in. Little bit extension. Now I can go for thrust. Be comfortable. Okay.
স্যার তিনবার ঘুরছে স্যার
Three times.
Three times.
Correct.
During
কোন বন্ধ, কোন বন্ধ, লাম্বার?
following protocol, you felt distraction. Okay. Till where?
Heel lumbar.
Okay.
Sir, can I experience this?
Sir, should I?
Sir, wrist
Can I
wala
experience
guna,
this
sir.
correct?
Yeah.
Okay, after him. I will be there, sir. Please do it for me.
আমার হয়ে গেছে?
মডেলের ফোন